In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code path error on Windows. This guide will walk you through several essential steps to ensure that the Claude command line interface is correctly set up and functioning in your system environment. To begin, open PowerShell on your Windows machine. You can do this by searching for PowerShell in the Start menu. Once PowerShell is open, enter the command test path $env $LKPOP programs claude.exe. This command checks if the Claude executable exists in the specified path. If the result returns true, it confirms that the executable is present. If it returns false, this indicates that the CLI is either not installed or located in a different folder. In that case, you will need to locate the executable manually. For example, it may be found in C users, your name, app, data, local programs, claude.exe, or C claude.exe if it was installed manually. Next, you will want to check the current path variable. In PowerShell, type $end path-split and hit enter. This command will display all the paths that are currently included in your system's path variable. Look through the output for the folder that contains claude.exe. If this folder is missing from the path, it is likely the cause of the path error you're experiencing. To temporarily add the Claude folder to your path for the current PowerShell session, enter the command $env path + C users, your name, app data, local programs, Claude. After executing this command, you can test if the path fix was successful by running claude-version. If the command returns the version information, the temporary path addition has worked, confirming that the executable can now be accessed. To ensure that this change is permanent, you will need to add Claude to the path variable permanently. You could do this by entering the following command in variable path $end path +2 users, your name, app data, local programs, Claude, user. After executing this command, close PowerShell and reopen it. Then test the setup again by entering Claude-version to verify that the changes have taken effect. Sometimes having multiple installations of Claude can cause conflicts that lead to path errors. To check for any conflicts, run the command get command Claude-all in PowerShell. If this command returns more than one path, you will need to remove the old ones from your path, ensuring that only the folder containing the current Claude.exe remains. If the Claude command works in PowerShell but not in Visual Studio Code or Git Bash, ensure that the terminal in these applications is set to use PowerShell. Restart Visual Studio Code, and for Git Bash, convert the Windows path to Unix style by running export path $path /C/users/your name/app data/local/programs/Claude. Remember that path changes will not apply until you restart the terminal or the system. Ensure that only the folder containing Claude.exe is in the path, not the executable itself. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.